Are you tired of manually calculating rubric scores and keeping track of multiple assessments for each student? Introducing the automated rubric grading system. This system does the calculations for you and keeps all your rubric results organized and in one place. Here is the student overview dashboard. Every rubric you complete automatically feeds into the summary page, allowing you to track overall performance, average scores, highest scores, and lowest scores. Each rubric represents a separate assessment. On the summary sheet, fill in the date, the name of the assignment or project, then click on the link for the rubric. This will take you to the rubric sheet. Enter the student's score percentage for each category you want to assess. As scores are entered, the weighted score and final percentage are calculated automatically. Categories left blank will be ignored and won't form part of the total weighted score or percentage. You can adjust the weight of different categories. Use the extra category rows to create custom assessment criteria. To go back to the summary sheet, just click on the link below. The data from the latest rubric will appear on the summary sheet. The workbook includes 25 rubric sheets, making it easy to keep multiple assessments for the same student organized in a single workbook. More rubric sheets can be added if necessary. Easily navigate between different rubrics. If you are looking for a simple way to automate rubric grading and track student performance, this workbook is ready to use immediately. Download the full automated rubric grading system using the link below.